Hey guys, so this is how to use Polarsteps application. So once you download Polarsteps and log into your account or sign up, you're gonna find this homepage, and what you're gonna need to do is just click on this add a trip button. It's a red button, and then add the city that you live in. So I live in Cairo. Just add that. And it's saving it right now. Then you need to click on add a trip. So you have three options here. You could plan for a future trip, or if you're currently traveling and you're looking for things to do, or if you want to add a past trip and edit the past trip. So like what could have gone better in this past trip. So I want to plan a future trip, for example, and I'll click on continue. And let's say my destination is Phoenix, Arizona. I'll just click on continue. Then you have a start date. Let's keep it at 10th of November. And the end date is optional because that's subject to change. You can also name your trip. I'll name it, for example, Phoenix trip. And then if you scroll down, you can add a short summary. So traveling to Phoenix. So Phoenix to visit friends. Okay, and if you have a travel buddy, you can add that person if they're on Polarsteps as well. And you can also turn on your travel tracker. So it's just gonna allow you to, it's gonna ask you for permission to like use your location. So I'll keep it while using. Oh, I need to do it from the settings for that. So I'll just change that to always. Go back. And now the travel tracker is on. So the travel tracker, what it does is basically, it optimizes your routes. So it tracks where you're going and tells you like if there are better routes. And who can see this trip? If you have any followers on Polarsteps, you can change that to only me or followers or everyone. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So you can just click on create a trip. And now your trip is created. So let's just go back. And you have your trip right there, the Phoenix trip. So you can just click on it and pretty much edit anything. So if we go back to the original page, we have the Phoenix trip. And we have it right there, all the information. So yeah, this is pretty much it. Hope that video was helpful.